friends, welcome to e-learning. We are going with causes of unemployment. We have completed 3 points in that, and today we are going to learn 4 more points in this particular topic, that is causes of unemployment. So today is in fifth lecture. We are going to learn about capital intensive production technique, lack of vocational education, lack of manpower planning, and inefficiency of public sector. So these are the 4 topics which we are going to cover under this main topic, that is causes of unemployment, which is a continuation part. Now let's go with the new. So here the fourth point, that is capital intensive production technique. What does the capital intensive production technique talks about? Capital intensive means what? Here capital intensive, it stands for machines. Okay, it stands for machine. From with the use of machine we have done production, and so we have changed the production technique from labors to the machines. So mostly you find that under this era, IT era, we have acquired much amount of machines, whether labors. So we are much dependent on machines. So what we find that in our country there is basically two scarcities which are been there. So first is the scarcity of capital, and second, two problems are there. First is the scarcity of capital and second is the abundance of labor. एक तो हमारे पास पैसे कम है, यहाँ पे कैपिटल का मतलब क्या है? पैसे. And second is we have the abundance of labor supply. So we find that more and more, because of the high population, you find that the labor supply is more in here in our country. So two things is a major problem which is happening up. अगर कैपिटल हो तो लेबर को हम यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कैपिटल ही ना हो तो लेबर को यूटिलाइज नहीं कर सकते. So this is again become a major problem for us. Now here in this circumstance, to solve this problem of unemployment, what we have to do? फर्स्ट, लेबर इंटेंसिव टेक्निक ऑफ प्रोडक्शन शुड बी अडॉप्टेड. मतलब हमको कौन सा टेक्निक चाहिए? लेबर इंटेंसिव, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा लेबर्स काम कर सके और ज़्यादा लेबर्स एम्प्लॉयड हो सके, वैसे वाली चीज़ को हमको प्रोडक्शन टेक्निक्स अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. अल्टीमेटली वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हब वेयर देयर मोर लेबर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. तो वैसे वाले कहाँ पे मिलेंगे? वी फाइंड दैट इन द टाइनी एंड कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज. So small industries or tiny and cottage industries are they required heavy amount or more amount of labors, because handiwork is being given to them, and handiwork is done by the labors. So their labor intensive technique can be possible, and we have to go with this particular labor intensive technique. Again you find that, but what happened actually? We have learned in the poverty also, second 5-year plan. In the second 5-year plan, what has been done, that there was a development of heavy and basic industries. ज़्यादातर डेवलपमेंट फोकस उन लोगों का मेन एम क्या था सेकेंड 5-year प्लान में? दैट इज़ 1956 to 1961. यू फाइंड दैट देयर मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू build basic and heavy industries in our country, like petrochemical industries, iron and steel industries. So these are the basic industries, and then after heavy industries. So you find that what will happen, because this will turn into industrial revolution. अगर ये सब चीज़ें होगी तो हम ज़्यादा मशीनरीज, ज़्यादा बिल्डिंग्स वगैरह सब कुछ बना सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पर वो सो इस वजह से स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज, दैट इज़ टाइनी एंड कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज पे फोकस किया नहीं गया. अल्टीमेटली in the fifth 5-year plan, what happened again? So after second 5-year plan, these industries were made, and after that you find that more importance on given to capital intensive technique. We started acquiring the German as well as the British, or we can say as well as American technology for making the work done with the help of machines. So more and more machines are being developed, more and more industrialization revolution was been going on that time. And we find that instead of labor technique, we have urged, or we have gone to the, we can say, more of capital intensive technique. Then government has again the shortage of capital, but credit rates are still less and cheap, and wages of laborers are high. तो क्या हुआ? The second problem, you find that when government has developed this heavy and basic industries, after few times in 1980s 1985s, you find that government losses में जाए, where they thought that when they acquire this basic and heavy industries, उन लोगों को लगा कि हम ये build करेंगे तो हमारा industrial revolution, हम ज़्यादा labor को employment दे सकते हैं, XYZ reason they have thought. But what happened when it has been actually built? You find that there is a lot of money which is required, जो private sector उस time पे possible नहीं था. तो उस time पे क्या हुआ? Government has invested. When government has invested and वहाँ पे ज़्यादा machines के capital intensive techniques utilize कर दें, 5th year plan, what happened? लेबर्स अलग हो गए, मशीन्स पे ज़्यादा फोकस किया, मशीन्स काम करने लगे लेबर्स की जगह पे, एंड वहाँ पे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ गया. व्हेन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट हैज़ इंक्रीज, यू फाइंड दैट क्रेडिट रेट्स जैसे थे वैसे ही है, लेकिन हमारा जो less and cheap wages were been there, and you find sorry wages were the high and less and cheap was the credit rates. तो क्रेडिट रेट्स हमको उस टाइम पे इतना नहीं मिल रहा था और गवर्नमेंट के पास भी कैपिटल का शॉर्टेज था. सो इस वजह से वो मेजर डाउनफॉल आया कि जो लोगों का उम्मीद था कि गवर्नमेंट विल गिव there is a generation of high amount of employment under government sector or under public sector, that time it was not happen. As we have already learned in economic reform, we have studied how the play of what was been happening before industrial revolution or economic reform and after economic reform, what was the condition happened and what was the thing. So that is all about here. Again, in agriculture and industrial sector, mechanism was been adopted. Yes, मतलब mechanism मतलब यहाँ पे machines was been adopted which increase which employment at a slow rate. Mechanism ले लिया, जैसे tractors आ गए, different tools and equipments which came which helped for harvesting every purpose. So what happened, it helped the productivity, it helped for employment also, because some of the tools are being require some labor. as किसी को farmers को tractor नहीं आता तो किसी और को आता होगा, XYZ. So this was been adopted which was been there. सो कैपिटल पे ज़्यादा फोकस किया, कैपिटल इंटेंसिव पे फोकस किया, और यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट के पास शॉर्टेज था मेन मनी का. तो अल्टीमेटली व्हाट हैपेंड, प्राइवेट सेक्टर केम. सो व्हेन प्राइवेट सेक्टर केम तो उन लोग ने भी वही चीज़ किया इन इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर ऑल्सो टू इंक्रीज द प्रोडक्टिविटी, टू गेट द सिक्योरिटी अगेंस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज लेबर यूनियन. सच पॉलिसी इज अडॉप्टेड विच सेव्स लेबर. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि जब बड़ी बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज बढ़ने लगी, लाइक आफ्टर 1991 यू फाइंड दैट मोर फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट वैज बिन डन, फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट FDI, एंड वहाँ से बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज आई एंड इट वॉज बिन मर्ज विद इंडियन कंपनी टू स्टार्टअप. एंड देन आफ्टर वॉट वी फाइंड दैट हियर there when there is a huge amount of labor in the company, that for to manage that particular labor, to control their select a leader, and that leader is called as what, labor union. So in an organized sector, in a well developed industrial sector, वहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर हो, वहाँ पे लेबर यूनियन होगा, एंड वो लेबर यूनियन क्या करेगा, ही हैज़ द राइट टू सेव हिज लेबर. अगर उसके साथ कुछ भी गलत हो रहा है तो वो लेबर यूनियन खड़ा होगा और मैनेजमेंट से बात करेगा. सो दैट पॉलिसी वॉज अडॉप्टेड दैट टाइम, बट स्टिल इट वॉज नॉट, यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं था कि भाई कि ज़्यादा लेबर यूटिलाइज हो रहे थे. अदर दैन दैट जितने लेबर्स है उसको बचाने के लिए ये पॉलिसी बनाई गई थी, लेकिन ज़्यादा लेबर्स आए उसके लिए नहीं बनाई थी. अदर दैन यू फाइंड दैट रेलवे, इरीगेशन, इंडस्ट्रियल के अलावा रेलवे, इरीगेशन, रोड्स, कंस्ट्रक्शन, पब्लिक सेक्टर्स ऑफ स्टेट्स आर यूज कैपिटल इंटेंसिव. बाद में क्या हुआ कि नॉट ओनली इन इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर, we find it in different sectors like railway, irrigation, roads. There also you find that some of the projects or tenders of public sector, there also capital intensive techniques are being utilized more and more. So ultimately we find that because of more using machines and everything, unemployment has been created, and it is a bigger problem in our country. So as a result unemployment became as acute. बहुत शॉर्ट टाइम पीरियड में बहुत ज़्यादा अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इंक्रीज हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ कैपिटल इंटेंसिव गुड. एंड टू स्टडी दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग, दैट इज वाई वी फाइंड दैट भगवती कमिटी एंड विन कतरम कमिटी वॉज बीन फॉर्म. सो टू स्टडी द अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड टू रिकमेंड यूज़ ऑफ लेस ऑफ मैकेनिज्म, मतलब लेस ऑफ मशीन्स यूज़ करें तो ही हम लेबर को. सो इसके अंदर हमको क्या सीखना है कि वी हैव टू गो विथ मोर ऑफ लेबर intensive technique. So if you are also starting any company, or if you are having many of them are businessmen, so if you are, so go with labor intensive techniques, where you find that more and more poor class or rural areas, or we can say urban areas only, we find that many unemployments are there. So they get job according to that, to so that they can go with their living. Ultimately जब उन लोग को जॉब मिलेगा वो सेटिस्फाई होंगे तो हमारा पॉवर्टी लेवल कम होगा. When we reduce the absolute poverty, you find that there is an economic development which has been happening. So this is what it is all about. Again, let's move to the next one, that is fifth one, that is lack of vocational education. Now what is vocational education? Vocational मतलब orally बोलना, orally education देना? No. What is vocation? See, we have seen that local को vocal करो, हमारा जो ये मोटो मोदी जी ने निकाला है, तो what was with that? So you find that we have to go with creating a awareness about the local items or local products which has been there, which has been sell out nearby, and we have to sell more of the products of that. तो हमको जो लोकल में मिल रहा है उसको हमको अवेयरनेस करना है हमारी सोसाइटी में, हमारे फ्रेंड्स में वगैरह. सो सेम वे व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अब, वी फाइंड दैट इन इंडिया देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ वोकेशनल एजुकेशन. वोकेशनल एजुकेशन मतलब we are not making other persons or other laborers or other students or any XYZ person about you find the educated job, or how you can get the educated job, and where there is a requirement of so and so particular field. All this particular thing are not out. So in India, one reason of high educational unemployment, okay, it is written educational. Why educational? Because एजुकेटेड पीपल भी यहाँ पे अनएम्प्लॉयड है, तो उन लोग के लिए मेन रीजन क्या है? इट इज ऑफ इनइफेक्टिव education system. Now again, those who can work according to the changing atmosphere in every sector, such type of laborers are not created. मतलब ऐसे laborers नहीं बना रहे ये लोग जो हर जगह पे every time when there is a change in situation, they can adopt that particular situation and they can work according to that particular situation. So that particular thing is not been created under this education system. So this is what again is a major problem. Second, with the objective of increasing economic growth rate, technology and we find mechanism has been adopted by industrial and agriculture. तो यहाँ पे दूसरा क्या चाहिए कि हमको सिर्फ इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ चाहिए. इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ के लिए क्या चाहिए? जस्ट इंक्रीज प्रोडक्शन करने के लिए चाहिए वी हैव यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, वी आर यूजिंग मशीन्स एंड विच हेल्प us to produce more and more amount of goods, and that goods are being sold in the market. Ultimately we find that there is a high national income, rise in national income equals to rise in growth rate of India. But what is happening? Second thing कि vocational education मिल रहा है? नहीं. You find that such laborers are required to have knowledge of this techniques. मतलब उन लोग को बाद में सिखाया जाता है after you are completing your college. Then after you are being given, when you go for a job, you have been appointed as a trainee first. So first year or first 6 months or first 3 months, depends on the job and depends on the company, you find that you are being trained under that, and after that you find that your job actually start. So ultimately what happened, you are not aware of the knowledge and techniques and different things which an exactly job has been जॉब यू हैव टू डू. मतलब आपको अकाउंटिंग करना है तो आपको पहले टैली करना पड़ेगा, उसके अंदर एक्सपीरियंस लेना पड़ेगा. देन आफ्टर यू हैव टू गो विद द वर्किंग अंडर वन कंपनी, देयर ऑल्सो यू रिक्वायर सम अटर्न एक्सपीरियंस. तो वो चीज़ लाने के लिए आपको ट्रेनिंग, यू हैव बीन kept under a specialized or expert person of that particular job, and then after he gives you, he trains you, and then after he sees you, and उसके बाद आपको जॉब मिलता है. So ultimately this is what the system has been following because of lack of educational and lack of changing environment. We can say flexibility in changing, adopting, we can say new situations. So ये सब चीज़ की वजह से यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम. सो बट द प्रेजेंट एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज ऑपोजिट टू दैट. यस, तो यही हमारा प्रॉब्लम कि वी जस्ट गो विद द बुकिश नॉलेज विच वी हैव, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बुकिश नॉलेज यू फाइंड दैट आवर सिस्टम इज बीन अगेन बेन प्रॉब्लम. तो हमको प्रैक्टिकली कुछ चीज़ सिखाया नहीं जाता, इसकी वजह से हम यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम होता है. सो वॉट एवर थिंग्स विच यू आर डूइंग इन अकाउंट्स और स्टेटिस्टिक्स इज इट बीन अप्लाइड, इट इज़ बीन अप्लाइड इन हाई प्ले पर्टिकुलर सेंसस रिपोर्ट, एंड वहाँ पे अलग अलग जगह पे ये लोग सर्वे करके सब कुछ करते इन स्टैटिस्टिक. सो बट इट इज़ बीन यूज फॉर यू एट प्रेजेंट से, आपको पता ही नहीं है कैसे यूज़ होता है, कैसे करते हो. सो इट इज़ फॉर दैट दिस बिकम्स अ मेजर प्रॉब्लम फॉर अस. सो यहाँ पे हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम हमको सपोर्ट नहीं करता, इसके वजह से लैक ऑफ वोकेशनल एजुकेशन है. सच hence skilled laborers are few because of lack of vocational education. So there are many laborers which are been there, but only the skilled laborers are very less who can acquire with the changing circumstances. वो change acquire कर सकते हैं और work कर सकते हैं, वैसे वाले laborers बहुत कम है. Again you find that present education system failed in mental and physical formation of human being. Yes, so we just go with the bookish knowledge, bookish work, एंड हमको वही दिमाग में रहता है, दूसरा कुछ प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज नहीं है. वॉट ऑल द सीनियर विच इज़ प्रेजेंट थिंग विच इज़ हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आवर मेंटल एंड फिजिकल फॉर्मेशन इज बिन टोटली avoided. Even after acquiring, a person is incapable of self-employment and suffer from the problem of unemployment. Means after getting a degree, that is you find when you're 21, or master degree, that is when you're 23 or 24, you still go within going with experience. आप क्या करते हो भाई, I require job experience first, then after I will go with a job, and then after I can get settled if or get promotion. So this takes a very long period of time. When you have done already more than, we can say 12 plus 2, 12 plus 3 plus 5, we can say 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 5, 15 plus 2. So 17 years of studies, which when you have done 17 to 19 years of studies when you have done, and then after you still lack experience or any skills or any techniques in yourself, that becomes again a problem. So you find that because of our education, present education system, where there is no much practical or vocational education is given, we don't know where there is a which type of technique is being used for which kind of job and x y z. So that particular becomes a major problem for unemployment. Even after you are graduate, you still sit at your home. You find that because of this particular lacking thing, that is lack of vocational education, आप self employed भी नहीं कर पाते खुद को. Then after you find that the sixth one, that is lack of manpower planning. Now what is manpower? Manpower means that is the labor. Yes, so manpower को labor बोलेंगे. Labor planning कैसा करना है? So let us see. In India during planning period, manpower is not planned rightly. Yes, when our India was been planning 5-year plans, planning period क्या मतलब यहाँ पे 5-year plans which has been made by the government, that time they have not focused or they have not rightly planned about the manpower, that is the labor, because we know that our labor is more as per the country and we have to go with that particular mindset to how to engage more labors. But that time that particular thing was not happening. So the types of labor which are in demand presently in India, availability of similar types of labor supply is not possible. मतलब हमको जो जैसे वाले जॉब्स चाहिए, डिमांड्स चाहिए, वैसे वाले लेबर्स यहाँ पे मिल ही नहीं रहे. So availability of similar types of labor supply is not possible, as that kind of human resource planning is not found in education system. Why it is so? Because from the basic, from the we can say 11th 12th or from the 10th only, you are not been guided properly that what should be done and what kind of job you can acquire. So that's why it has been always asked to you have to set your goals. When you know what type of job and what type of thing you want to do in your life, that time you are able to make sure that you know about that particular job very well and you try to develop the skill, everything according to that. Like आपको after 12th you have to go with CA, so you will go with that particular field, so you go with college as well as CA together, and then after you cultivate a particular thing. So it is a professional course where you find that you, when you are doing a practice work under a CA, that time you find a particular better knowledge you get, until unless you have covered two फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड स्टेज ऑफ CA, जहाँ पे आपको पूरा थियोरेटिकल सिखाते हैं, लेकिन फाइनल ईयर के अंदर जाने से पहले आपको आर्टिकल सिखाया जाता है. वहाँ पे व्हेन यू आर गोइंग विद आर्टिकलशिप, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अप दैट टाइम, यू फाइंड दैट you get to know what is a practical world is all about. So ultimately that type of particular thing is not available in many of the field, and because of that you find that we does not have manpower planning. So when we know that so and so company requires so and so type of particular persons, तो उन लोग को क्या काम करना है वो particular company में, this particular labors are required. If that particular company has been directly in contact with the colleges and the, you can say, universities or institutions, you find that that time what will happen, we can exactly figure out what kind of jobs are available, what for what kind of job, what all the things are to be done, what all the abilities, techniques, skills to be learned. And when you complete your, we can say, graduation, and you directly get a job. So ये चीज़ होना चाहिए, वो यहाँ पे lacking है. So manpower is planning has been lacking here, which has been found in education system. Education has made a widespread activity without estimation of kind and number of labor supply. We are learning education, we are learning economics, everything, but though we have exact figure of how many people are unemployed, we only know the percentage. But in that particular percentage, which field, which kind of people are, which type of labors are required, no. So that becomes again a major problem. So when we know, when we go into detail everything, and if government also take out the thing that so and so particular places, so and so particular types of labor with different particular skills are required, then it has been we can say it has been best for us to know what kind of jobs are available, what kind of jobs for doing jobs, what kind of skills to be developed, and that particular manpower planning should be done from the basic, from the, we can say, high school itself or college itself. So this is what is happening. As a result, every year lakhs of educated youth obtain degrees. मतलब हर साल लाखों की जगह तादाद में बहुत सारे एजुकेटेड पर्सन्स डिग्री ले लेते हैं, लेकिन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, though every year lakh of people are coming, but lakh of people are not employed. In from the lakhs of people, that is 10, 15, 20 lakhs of people, you find that only 3,000, 5,000 or 10,000 people are employed, and rest of them are being unemployed. So they are not able to cope up with this particular manpower planning. So that is a particular downfall which has been seen here. Again you find that as they lack knowledge and training required in present economic system, they are unemployed after being educated. मतलब उन लोग के पास डिग्री आ गई, उन लोग को जॉब मिला, लेकिन वहाँ पे उन लोग को बोलते हैं, डू यू हैव एनी experience and knowledge. Because of the bookish knowledge, they don't have any practical knowledge, and when they don't have any practical knowledge and they don't have any training, you find that they become unemployed though they are being educated person. Again, this is the direct result of lack of planning of human resources. इसका पूरा निचोड़ करके एक ही मेन पॉइंट आता है, दैट इज द लैक ऑफ प्लानिंग ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. हमने प्रॉपर से ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट रिसोर्स को प्लान नहीं किया है. मीन्स हाउ एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लेबर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड दैट शुड बी डेवलप, वो हमने डेवलप किया नहीं है बाय द कॉलेज और बाय द इंस्टीट्यूशंस. Again, in many cases, due to lack of employment opportunities, the doctors, engineers with the high degrees go to the foreign countries because of not getting suitable work in our country. Yes. So what we find at present situation, from present, like from my time to your time, we can say nearly the gap of 8 to 10 years, we have seen many of the people are going from here to New Zealand, going from here to Australia, from here to Canada or America. Why? Foreign countries or to the German. Why? Because you find that there is a lack of employment opportunities. When there is a lack of employment opportunities, you find that mostly there is a doctors, engineers, or we can say 12th after 12 students, they try to go with foreign countries where they can get easily job, when they have been getting a practical knowledge, when they are getting a high amount of degree and a high standard of living wages. So because of that, here they are leaving their own country and shifting towards to the foreign country. So this is what is happening up in our country India because of this particular lack of manpower planning. So you find that due to British rule, गोल्ड यूज टू मूव फ्रॉम इंडिया टू ब्रिटेन. यस, ब्रिटिश रूल के टाइम पे हिस्ट्री की बात करें तो यहाँ से पूरा सोना कहाँ पे जाता था? ब्रिटेन में जाता था. सो वन साइडेड मूवमेंट विच इज़ बिन डन, एंड इसको क्या बोलते थे? ट्रेन ऑफ गोल्ड. तो उस टाइम पे अवर gold was being taken up by the British rulers, and we are under the British rulers उसकी वजह से. But again same situation is happening. Similarly the present Indian intelligence, वहाँ पे gold जा रहा था, अभी क्या जा रहा है? In the present situation, intelligence, that is doctor, engineers, the educated people are moving from here to the other countries and living their life there. So Indian intelligence is moving from India to abroad, and this is again a one-sided movement which is called as drain of brain. So remember, this drain of gold and drain of brain might come in your examination for 1 marks or in MCQ purpose. So go with this particular point totally. Even though not only this, you find that all these points can be coming up in your examination, one or the other. You need to explain for 2 marks. Like I can ask any of the point, like explain manpower planning, explain vocational education. So this particular type of topic, you have to remember each and every point. Okay, so again what we find that this is what all is about the lack of manpower planning. Lastly, we find that we'll come to the last point of our this lecture, that is inefficiency of public sector. What is inefficiency? Efficiency means doing a good job at a time at most. Yes. Whereas inefficiency of public sector, वहाँ पे public sector was not up to the mark. He has not given his best efforts. So you find that after independence public sector was given more importance. Yes, हमने देखा कि 1951 में जब planning period का planning commission planning period came, what happened? They have made 5-year plannings, and in that they have not been proper. They have give more importance to the public sector in this initial stage where they develop heavy and basic industries. They lack why I'm telling lack, because they उन लोग ने वो पूरा खींचा 1980s 1990s तक, and 1991 then after private sector came. But we'll talk only about the public sector here. There is an immense increase seen in the number of public sector investment thereof. 1950 के बाद जब उन लोग ने पब्लिक सेक्टर बढ़ाने की सोची, जहाँ पे आयरन एंड स्टील कंपनी नहीं थी, जहाँ पे वी फाइंड दैट नॉट मच अमाउंट ऑफ पेट्रोकेमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज वर नॉट देयर. ऑल दिस कंपनीज केम आफ्टर दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, वेयर यू फाइंड दैट रिलायंस इज अ पब्लिक कंपनी. यू फाइंड दैट बहुत सारी, आप अगर देखो शेयर मार्केट के अंदर, और जस्ट लिस्ट आउट, देयर आर मेनी ऑफ देम, दे आर बीन ओनली लिमिटेड. So you find that all them are the public company. So there is an immense increase in the number of public sector and investment which we find. Again, you find that the quantity of employment generation estimated from public sector was not able to generate more employment because of its low productivity. तो उस टाइम पे बहुत सारा पब्लिक सेक्टर हुआ, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग पब्लिक सेक्टर के अंदर ज्वाइंट हो गए. देयर वाज एम्प्लॉयमेंट विच इज़ बीन given to the public sector, and then after investment are been done. तो उस टाइम पे वो there was a boom period, we can say boom period in the public sector. Now after that, what people thought, like every now and there people thought that there should be there will be again more immense growth in the public sector, so we'll develop ourselves for growing more and more about public sector. लेकिन उस टाइम पे जब एक्चुअली जब रिक्वायरमेंट आई पब्लिक सेक्टर के अंदर एम्प्लॉयमेंट की, उस टाइम पे इट वाज नॉट अप टू द मार्क ऑफ आवर पॉपुलेशन. हमारा पॉपुलेशन जितना है, हमारे पॉपुलेशन की एक्सपेक्टेशन जितनी है कि स्किल लेबर्स वगैरह पब्लिक सेक्टर में काम कर, उतना नहीं था. So you find that they were not able to generate more amount of employment because of its low productivity. Why low productivity? Because हमारे पास ज़्यादा कैपिटल नहीं था, गवर्नमेंट लॉसेस में जा रही थी, फिर भी वो डेवलप किया. Then also you find that the productivity was low in the beginning state, because you find that वो बनाना हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था. लेकिन स्टार्टिंग के जो 5, 10, 20 ईयर्स थे उस टाइम पे बहुत लो प्रोडक्टिव, इस वजह से वी लैक this particular public sector. एम्प्लॉयमेंट ओरिएंटेड प्राइवेट सेक्टर वर बीन कंट्रोल फॉर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पब्लिक सेक्टर. बाद में क्या हुआ कि प्राइवेट सेक्टर बनाना कंपलसरी बन गया. इट वॉज बिकेम अ मेजर फैक्टर सो दैट दे कैन कंट्रोल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू फाइंड दैट देयर हैज़ बीन लिबरलाइजेशन एंड प्राइवेटाइजेशन विच केम इन द वर्ल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लैक ऑफ पब्लिक sector. Then again you find that moreover public sector development was neglected, and so there is a less employment generation and unemployment increase. So you find that after this private sector came, and there is a lot amount of generation of we can say employment oriented schemes or employment oriented jobs under this private sector. We find that people shift their move from public sector to uh, we can say private sector. Ultimately we find that in public sector, because of lack of efficiency, lack of low product we can say because of low productivity, all that particular thing became a downfall for the public sector. And you find that now people started moving to the private sector in 1991, after 1991, and still you find that people are willing to go with private sector, though in this pandemic situation they feel like they want to go with government sector. But earlier the pandemic they were enjoying the private sector job. So ultimately more amount of employment which are been done are given under the private sector rather than public sector, because of inefficiency of production and we can say different job opportunities. So these were the 4 points which we learned today. I hope you have been clear. If you find still any doubt, you can just call or message me about this. Thank you for today. Just write down the notes, and there will be soon examination which will be coming up, so you go with all the points which have been there. I will be taking the 6th chapter full. Okay, 6th chapter will be taken full, so go with that particular thing. All the 6th chapter will be coming up.